Welcome to the channel again, everyone. So this is Choro-Q number 52, a Honda S2000 in this funky looking metallic green. You'll see this is pretty old. It's from 2001. Oops, sorry about that screwdriver noise. And I think it's new. It's still taped together. 280 yen. I think that's yen. So that means this is less than $3 in today's money. So that's interesting. I don't know what that would mean. 84. Don't know. Okay, so I think this is a standard line of ChoroQs. It just says standard number 52. So it's not going to have all the extra paint details that some of the other ChoroQ series has, but I mean, if the thing was $3, you can't really expect much of everything anyways, right? There's a giant piece of paper in here. What is this all about? Maybe some members club, if I had to guess. Or a questionnaire. I don't know, strange. Okay, it's got a little protective plastic. So that's nice. It's got your standard chrome ChoroQ wheels. And yes, I did pull this up correctly. It does look like a standard S2000 there. Okay. So that's good. This is not a standard S2000, but there's a reason why I pulled up that image. You'll see soon enough. So there's no paint on the taillights, but again, it's a standard ChoroQ, so you're not going to get those details. But what is nice is the actual paint here. I mean, it's a metallic green. It's a really funky green. Unfortunately, you know, the way they casted it, that's the molding sprue where it came off the sprue. Here's a door handle. It's actually like a recess under there. Some panel lines are looking pretty good. Some sort of contaminant or something in the paint, so that's too bad. The Honda badge is molded in, it's raised. I guess if I was careful I could probably hit it with the silver Sharpie and bring it out, but I'm not going to risk it. The headlights are clear, so that's good. So I suspect this whole body is this clear plastic, and then they painted everything else on top of it, so pretty nice. Some rib details here in the grille. Okay. Yeah, the taillights, no red paint, unfortunately. I'm debating trying to do that myself. I think I'd screw it up, so I might leave it alone. Alright, some partial interior because it's showing the motor. What's weird is, why wouldn't they attempt to cover that motor further? They covered it here, but that's exposed. Well, really, I don't understand why ChoroQ doesn't just mold the motor in black plastic. All those pieces could be black and then it'd be less visible. Interesting. Yeah, that's really unsightly, that contaminant there. It's like lint. Alright. So yeah, there it says 2002. Okay, so that's, I guess, your real time it was made. And then the clear base, which I actually don't mind this because it's kind of cool to see the gears down here. But from the top view, I'm not really a fan. Alright, so yeah, you can see the plastic is all clear here. And then I guess they sprayed it with silver. And then maybe this green is like a translucent clear coat, if I had to guess. Alright, so I'm unscrewing this because we're going to do a 3D wheel project here. I bought some wheels this time around. Just found them online, do a search for ChoroQ wheels. Boy, why is this not coming off here? This tab is problematic. It's also interesting. Oh, those are exhaust tips, I guess, these little raised bumps, but they're not painted, so. Yeah, sometimes this tab is too big to actually release easily. See, the hole itself, I don't know how they got it in there in the first place. Okay, there we go. So I think the paint, you know, it was laid on too thick for that recess there. Alright, there's the construction of it. Yeah, alright, interesting. So the motor, in this case the axle was in front of the motor. Sometimes it's trapped by the motor. Alright, I'm gonna get rid of this stuff. And then I need to get a 3D printed motor housing. actually in. See, so now this tab is too tight. There we go. Okay, so here's the wheel. It's an NKRPF 1, and so I bought this online. I don't know what these tires are. If anyone knows, please let me know. They're much bigger than Hot Wheels, but they have this red line, but I couldn't find it through searches. So someone went and 3D printed this thing, painted it and everything, but it didn't come with brakes, so I 3D printed my own brakes to put into this person's 3D printed wheel. But I think it looks nice. I'm using Potafix Uhu Potafix Pro putty to mount this on nice and easy. So here's the front one. Where's the brake? Okay. And then the last one, where's the brake there? I'm not sure if these brakes are in the right location. I always just put them closest to the door because that would be the most logical position. Then I sometimes squeeze here at the top to set camber nice and easy, right, for the custom JDM look. I think this side I may have put in too much putty, but oh well, for the sake of the video, this will be good enough. Alright, there we go. Let's compare it to the 1/64 scale version that I have up here waiting. And it's made by Hobby Japan, this orange one. It's an alright model. It does have a defect. It has like a dent in the middle of the hood, which is too bad. So yeah, if you look at the photo behind, that's an S2000 with the same wheels, and so that's why I want to swap these wheels on this guy. Alright, just going to pull out a couple of the ChoroQs here. I have a Celica here, a classic Celica. And I have a Nissan Skyline Hakusoka. Let's get rid of this guy. There we go. All of these ChoroQs have 3D printed wheels. It's kind of my thing now, modifying ChoroQs. Okay, I guess that's it for today. Alright, well, now I have an S2000 ChoroQ. I was in a car accident in an S2000 once. Luckily I was fine, we were both fine. Some lady did a U-turn right in front of us for, I don't know why, but anyways. So the S2000 is actually a pretty durable car, I know firsthand. But anyways, it's prior to that, it's a cool car. It's really fun to drive. My brother also owned one and he loved it as well. Okay, well, I will see you guys the next time around. Thanks.